I'm going to talk about occurring patterns. So let's go to weather warnings and let's make it start. So there's going to be no weather warnings. Oh, just refresh. Now there's no weather warnings actually. So let's look at pressure patterns. Zoom out to Southern Ontario actually. So, oh, wrong time. So let's look at 7 p.m. So 1012, 1008, 1060 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that, 7 p.m. So 1024 millibars of pressure. There is no pressure anywhere else. So let's go to 7 p.m. March 1st, first day of whatever. So let's 1036 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. March 2nd. So 1028, 1032, 1036 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. March 3rd. So 1020, 1024 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour. There is no next hour. Let's look at precipitation patterns. So 1 p.m. there's nothing else, 4 p.m. there's nothing else, 7 p.m. there's nothing else, 10 p.m. there is something. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Lionshead, Bay is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Barton's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. So Scarborough, Stouffville, down Toronto, Richmond Hill, possibly Newmarket, Newmarket, Jessica. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Belleville's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to Peterborough. It's nothing else. So Niagara Falls City, which is parts of it, it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next tower, which is Richmond Hill is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, 0.25 millimeters of rainfall is in Scarborough. So let's go to 10 a.m. There is nothing else. 1 p.m. There is nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There is something. There is actually nothing. 10 p.m. There is something. So Boylston, Hanover, Betty, Virginia, Beverly Hills, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Brampton, Orangeville, downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so including Richmond Hill, so including Brampton, Richmond Hill. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. So Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Belleville, Peterborough, those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 a.m. So Niagara Falls City Parkway is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 1 p.m. There is nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 a.m. There is sun. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go to 7 a.m. So, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, downtown, whatever. Cool, Hamilton, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Niagara on the Lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. So Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Star Bay, Lionshead, Obi, Whiteham, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Stouffville is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, including Oshawa, Uxbridge. So Hamilton Oco is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara Lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall mixed with 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. So like say freezing rain. So let's go to next tower. We didn't do Newmarket. Newmarket snowfall is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So Collingwood, Palm Beach, Midland, Olala, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Switch, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. It's going to get some 0.25, 2.5 millimeters of snow. Actually, Niagara on the Lake, possibly. Parts of Niagara on the Lake is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So parts of Niagara Falls City, 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain with some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to whatever. So let's go to whatever. So line said Obi, Wartown, Boyles, and Hanover, Thunderbird, Sotheby is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m., which is so Eastern and Central Local, Mississauga, Brampton, Orange Hole, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Georginia, Beverly Hills, Olala, Collingwood. Those are gonna get some 0.20, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Hamilton's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain. Niagara Lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. So line said will be Whiteham, Boylston, Hanover, Bombay, Stanby, Salaby, Milan is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. Collingwood, Bombay, Salaby, Milan, Olala, Beatty, Georginia, Beverly Hills, Central and Eastern Local, Mississauga, Brampton, Orange Hole, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara Lake, Portrait is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, mixed with 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, mixed with 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Baba is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Hamilton is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain. Oakville, which is western, southwestern, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet. Let's go to next hour, which is 17 hours. So, Saga, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara on the Lake, parts of it. Not parts of it. Coburg, Peterborough is got Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow during that Toronto, parts of Niagara Falls City. So parts of Niagara Falls City, which is western and northwestern, is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet and 0.25 millimeters of start holding for Niagara Falls City again. So Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to freezing rain. So freezing rain in 0.25 millimeters freezing rain is in western northwestern Niagara Falls City, and northeastern Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of sleet and 0.25 millimeters of snowfall is in southwestern. It's southern Niagara Falls City. So let's go to next tower. There is no next tower. Let's go to total precipitation 24 hours. So starting from 7 p.m. So White is 1 millimeters. Line side OB is gonna get some. Hope's Bay is actually 0.7. Line side is gonna get some 1 millimeters. 2 millimeters is over. 30 millimeters in Data. 2.5 is 3 millimeters in Scarborough. Belleville is gonna get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall, 0.5. So Peterborough is nothing. So Coburg actually is nothing. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some heavier. It's going to be 1 millimeters. 0.2 millimeters is Niagara Falls City. So let's go to Port Elgin. It's gonna get some 0.5 millimeters. Hanover is gonna get some 0.4 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to Bombay. It's gonna get some 2 millimeters. Sunny Beach is going to get some 0.7. Sada Bay is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So Midland is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So 0.8 actually. So let's go to next city. Barrie is going to get some 1 millimeters. Beverly Hills is going to get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall, which is might be correct. Actually 0.5. So let's go to next 24 hours. We didn't do this. They didn't. So Uxbridge, we did us. So Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is next day, 7 p.m. So 1 millimeter Brampton, Mississauga, 1 millimeter Stoffel, 1 millimeter Scarborough, 1 millimeter 0.9. Newmarket 1 millimeters, Orangeville 1 millimeters, Oshawa is 0.9, Ooks is 0.9, it's 0.8, so Coburg 0.7, Peterborough is gonna get some 0.7, Coburg. So Belleville is gonna get some 0.5 millimeter, 4 millimeters, Niagara Lake 0.7, Niagara Falls City 0.7, Oakville whole thing is gonna be 1 millimeter, so rainfall, Whitetown 0.2. Collingwood 0.5 millimeters, Ready 0.7, Beverly Hills is 0.7, Georgina 0.7. So let's look what else Hanover is done. So Hanover is done actually. So Hanover doesn't do anything. So 1 millimeter, so 0.2 millimeters of rainfall is in order last. So let's go to next hour. No, already. So let's go to next hour, which is Niagara Falls City is gonna be 1 millimeter of rainfall. So 0.9, no 0.8 millimeters in Niagara Lake. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. There is nothing else. So let's go to next hour. Brampton 7 millimeters, Tofu 7 millimeters, Scarborough 7.5 millimeters, Starter 8 millimeters, Mississauga 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters, Virginia 7.5 millimeters, Newmarket 6 millimeters, Orange 6 millimeters, Wilkes-Barre 6 millimeters, Oshawa 7 millimeters, Peterborough 6 millimeters, Coburg 7 millimeters, 7 millimeters Belleville, Hamilton 9 millimeters, Hamilton heaviest 9 millimeters, lightest could be 8 millimeters, everywhere in Niagara Falls 7.5 millimeters, Collingwood 4 millimeters, Georgina 4 millimeters, Barrie 4 millimeters, Orla 4 millimeters, Beverly Hills is gonna get some 5 millimeters of rainfall, so for actually millimeters, so Palm Beach, Fire 3 millimeters, Sunny Beach 3 millimeters, South Beach 3 millimeters, 3 millimeters, Midland, so Boyalton is going to be 2 millimeters, Hanover is 2 millimeters, so line set OB is going to be the Hopes Bay 1 millimeters, 0.9 is the line set, so White times 2 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, London. So let's go to next hour, which is there is no next hour. So let's look at total snowfall 24 hours. So let's set it up to 24 hours first, then we start after a few seconds. So let's look at total snowfall. So 0.9 is in snowfall, 0.8 Scarborough, 0.7 is Delta Tata. This is centimeters snowfall for 24 hours. So Newmarket is 0. This one, actually 1 centimeters in Newmarket. Orange was gonna get some nothing. Ooks was 0.2 centimeters, Coburg 0.1 centimeters, Valva 0.2 whatever. White has 0.5, Boyle is 0.3. Hanover is going to get some 0.4 centimeters. Light side OB is going to get some 0.3 centimeters. 0.4 is in Solid Bay, 0.3. So let's look at next Bomb Beach. It's going to be 0.4, Thunder Beach 0.3. Actually, nothing is 0.2 actually. So Midland, nothing. Barry is going to get some. Let's look at Barry. Barry is going to get some 0.6 millimeters. So let's go to next tower, which is Beverly Hills, whatever. So Beverly Hills is about 1 centimeter. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. 66 towers. So Barton 0.3 centimeters, Collingwood 0.5 centimeters, Brampton is 1.2 centimeters. Sissaga is gonna be 0. This 1.1, Downtown 1.0.9, 0.95 Scarborough, 1 centimeter Stoffel, Newmarket 1.1, Orangeville is gonna be 1.2. Uxbridge 1.0, Oshawa 0.9, Peterborough 0.8, Coburg 0.4, Belvoir 0.4, Hamilton 0.2, 1.2, 1.1 is in whole local, so everywhere in Niagara Falls 0.95 centimeters per thousand. So Barry is gonna be 0.5 centimeters, Georgina is gonna get some 0.7 centimeters, Beverly Hills is 0.8 centimeters, Orla is gonna get 0.3 centimeters, Holiday. Saga, whatever. Let's go to London is 1.4 centimeters. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. There is nothing else. So Oh, there is nothing else actually. So line set is 0.1 centimeters. Hobbs way is actually 0.1 centimeters. So the include or not whatever. Let's go to properly correct properly. Actually, there is nothing else. Let's go to 24 hours after that, March 2nd. So every Niagara on like 2 centimeters, Niagara velocity is 0.8 centimeters. Hamilton 0.2, 7.2, 7.3. It's going to be whatever. So the lightest could be, could be 7.5. The heaviest could be 0. It could be 7.6. Started on to 7.7 centimeters. Snowfall 6.8. Scarborough is going to get some 7.1 centimeters of snowfall. Could be Brampton 7.1 centimeters. Oshawa 6.9. Oaks 6.4. Newmarket 5.8. Orange Bowl is going to be 5.8. Peterborough 6.2. Coburg 7.4. Belleville 6.5. So against 5. So Whiteton's 1.7 centimeters. Wales is going to get some 1.7 centimeters. Hanover is going to get some 1.8 centimeters. Palm Beach is going to get some. Palm Beach is going to get some. 3.1 centimeters to Midland Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is gonna get some 2.8 centimeters of snowfall. Solar Bay is gonna get some 2.5 centimeters, 2.4 actually centimeters, 2.5 actually. So let's go to lines and hopes. Wait, so lines and hopes is gonna get some 1.7, 1.4 centimeters of hopes. Wait, 1.3 centimeters of lines head. So, can we? So let's go to next hour. We didn't do it properly this time. So let's look at Bombi Jodinia is gonna get some 4.4 4.5 centimeters. Beverly Isa is gonna get some 4.9 centimeters of snowfall. Betty's gonna get some 4.2 centimeters of snowfall, so 4.1. So Lala is gonna get some 4.0 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is there is no next hour. So let's wait. Girls, let's look at 7 p.m. Hamilton, 5.8 millimeters of sleet. Oracle's 5.8. Oracle again is going to be 0.2 centimeters of sleet. That's the lightest. And Oracle, heaviest in Oracle is actually 5 millimeters of sleet. So every Niagara on the lake 0.7 millimeters. 2.3 is going to be Niagara Falls City. So let's look at next hour. Wait, actually 10 seconds. Sorry, girls. Let's look at 7 p.m. March 3rd. So Niagara Falls City is 1 millimeters of freezing rain. Niagara on the lake is gonna get some whatever. So Hamilton, 1 millimeters of freezing rain. Oracle is gonna get some 0.8 millimeters of freezing rain. So let's go to next hour, which is there is no next hour. So let's look at air temperature pattern, which starts from 3 p.m. So let's actually wait a few seconds. So let's look at air temperature pattern. 3 degrees Whitetown, 3 degrees in Collingwood, Brampton 2 degrees, Mississauga 2 degrees, Toronto 2 degrees, Scarborough 2 degrees, Newmarket, Stouffville 2 degrees, Richmond 2 degrees, Toronto 2 degrees, Newmarket 2 degrees, Orange was 3 degrees, Oconomer is gonna get some 2 degrees. Line said OB is going to be different. So line said OB is actually different. So 1 degree in line said OB is 2 degrees. Thunder B is 1 degree. Solid B is 2 degrees. Palm Beach is gonna get some 2 degrees. Midland's gonna be 3 degrees. So 3 degrees. Honolulu is gonna get some 2 degrees. Jordania is gonna get some 2 degrees. 1 degrees. Sucks 2 degrees. Waverly Heights is 3 degrees. Mary's gonna get some 3 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Whitehall -3, Collingwood -2, Brampton 1 degrees, Mississauga 2 degrees, Downtown 2 degrees, Scarborough 1.5 degrees, Tofu 1 degrees, Mississauga 2 degrees, Oxford 2 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Coburg 2 degrees, Melbourne 2 degrees, Market -1 Orangeville, -1 Uxbridge 0 degrees. So Hamilton 3 degrees, Oracle 3 degrees, Oracle warmest is gonna be too cold. This is 3 degrees, and Oracle warmest 3 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna be 2.5 degrees. So Borealis is -3. Hanover is gonna be -3. Solid Beach, Thunder Beach, Palm Beach, -3, Midland, -3, Orland, -2, Betty, -2, Georgia, Beverly Isles is gonna get some -1 degrees. Hope's Bay -3 degrees. Lions Head is gonna get some -3 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So Water -6, Collingwood -5, Brampton -2, Mississauga -2, Dartmouth -2, Scarborough -2.5, Dover -3. The market -4, Orangeville -4, Uxbridge -4, Oshawa -2, Peterborough -4, Coburg -1, Belvoir -2, Hamilton -1, Oakville -1, as warm as cold is -2, everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees. Hobbs Bay, Lions Head is -6, Royals is -5, Hanover is going to get some -6 degrees. That's actually wrong temperature, it's actually -5.5. So let's go to Bombay, Dunby, Sotheby, Midlands going -5 degrees, Orlando -5 degrees, Miami -5. Virginia is gonna get some -4 degrees. Beverly Hills is -4 degrees. So let's go to -5 Isabel. So let's go to next hour. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. White -12, Collingwood -13, Stover -10, Scarborough -9, Dartmouth -8, Brant -9, Mississauga is -8, Twin Hills -9, Oshawa -10, Uxbridge is -13, Newmarket -11, Orangeville -10, Peterborough -13, Coburg -10, Belvoir -12, Hamilton -6, Oakville -6, Oakville again -7, warmest. So everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna be -5 degrees. And then, so let's go to next hour. Oh, not yet. So let's go to Georgia -10. Beverly Hills -10. Betty is gonna get some -14 degrees. So Orlando is gonna get some -14. No, it's gonna be -15 degrees. Orla. Solid Bay is -15. Bomb Thunder Beach is -14. Bomb Beach -14. So lines. Wow, Port Elgin is gonna be -11. Ottawa is gonna be -12. Hopes Bay is gonna get -11 degrees. That's Hopes Bay. So that's actually -1. So it's 11.5 actually. So line said that's Hopes Bay. So line said is gonna get some -13 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So Whiteham -7, Collingwood -12, Brampton -9, Mississauga -9, Dartmouth -9, 9.5 is Scarborough, -10 Stoffel, Newmarket -11, Orangeville -7, Uxbridge -11, Oshawa -9, Peterborough -10, Coburg -8, Belvoir -7, Hamilton -6, Oakville -6, Warburg is going to be -9. That's cold. It's actually not warm. So everywhere Niagara Falls -6 degrees, 4 hours -7. 11. Hanover is gonna get some -11. Lightside OB is gonna get some -12 degrees. Bombay Sunday is gonna get some -12 degrees. Sotheby -12. Milan's gonna get some -10 degrees. Lala's gonna be -10 degrees. Betty's gonna get some -12 degrees. Georginia's gonna be -10 degrees. Beverly Hills is gonna get some -11 degrees. So let's go to next hour for London. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So White -17, calling -19, Stouffer -23, Scarborough is gonna get some -22, down to Toronto -18, Brampton -23, Mississauga -18, Oshawa -20, Uxbridge -24, Peterborough, no, Newmarket -26, Rangevilles -26 degrees, Peterborough -24, Coburg -18, Belvoir -26, Hamilton -12, Oakville -12, Local warming temperature -18, so now everywhere in Niagara Falls, whatever. So everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna get some wrong. So this everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna get some -10 degrees. So Port Elgin -14 degrees. Hanover is gonna get some -19. No, it's gonna be -20 degrees, 21, 22 degrees. So let's look at line said. Okay, let's go to Lion's Head. So Lion's Head is gonna get some minus 14 degrees. So Hope's Way is gonna get some minus 15 degrees. So let's go to Palm Beach. Going to get some minus 19 or minus 20 degrees. So Solar Bay minus 20. Thunder Beach is gonna get some minus 16. Minus 16 degrees. So that could be minus 16 degrees because the borderline. So something, whatever. So Olala is gonna be minus 22 degrees. Dardina is gonna get some minus 18 degrees. Rabelais is gonna get some minus 25 degrees. So Barry is gonna get some minus 25 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is Milan. Milan's gonna get some minus 25 degrees. So 23 degrees. So let's go to X minus 25. Let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So, White minus 5, calling on minus 8, Brampton minus 7, Mrs. Sark minus 6, Starter on minus 6, Cabra minus 7, Starter still full minus 8, Newmarket minus 8, Orange minus 8, Ookswitz minus 9, Ashar minus 7, Peterborough minus 9, Coburg minus 7, Belvoir minus 8, Hamilton minus 5, Oakland minus 5, Oakland again is going to be minus 6 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus 1.5. Boy, Alton's going to be minus 6. Minus 5.5 is whatever. So Hanover is actually going to get some minus 6 degrees. So it's going minus 6 degrees. So Line said OB is going to get some minus 6 degrees. So that's the actual temperature. So that's the actual temperature. The actual temperature is actually minus 5 Line said OB. So Solid B and B is minus 8 degrees. But B is going to get some minus 8 degrees. So Milan is minus 8 degrees. Minus 8 degrees. So actually, so 22 minus 9, Beverly is minus 3. Barry's gonna get some minus 10 degrees, x minus 9. So x minus 9.5. So Lila is gonna be minus 10 degrees. So let's go to next hour. There is something. So Oklahoma. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So White minus 4, Collingwood minus 4. Brampton minus 2, Mississauga minus 1, Toronto minus 1, Stofu minus 2, Scarborough minus 1.5 degrees, Oshawa minus 2, minus 3, St. Ipswich, Newmarket minus 3, Orange minus 4, Peterborough minus 4, Coburg minus 1, Baba minus 3, Hamilton minus 1, Holyoke minus 1. Everywhere in Niagara Falls with 0 degrees. So let's go to next tower. Line said OB is going to be minus 4 degrees. Royals is minus 4. Ottawa is going to get some minus 4 degrees. So Solid Bay minus 6 degrees. Thunderbird is going to get some. Thunderbird is going to get some minus 6 degrees. Bobby is going to get some minus 4 degrees. So let's go to the next tower. Oh, I didn't know properly this time. So Barry's going to get some minus 5 degrees. So Georgia is going to get some minus 6 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to get some minus 4 degrees. Olala is going to get some minus 6 degrees. Actually, minus 6 degrees possible. And Olala, Midland is going to be minus 6 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Probably this time London. Let's go to 3 p.m., which is final hour. Actually, 4 p.m. So Boylston it's gonna be 1 degrees, Hanoi 1 degrees, Line says minus 1 degrees, Hobbs Bay minus 1 degrees, so Whiteham 1 degrees, Collingwood minus 1 degrees, Solid Bay 0 degrees, Midlands gonna be 2 degrees, actually 1 degrees. 1 degree second. Okay, so Solid Bay 0 degrees, Thunder Bay 1 is 2 degrees, Warm is gonna be 1 degrees, Georgia is gonna get some minus 2 degrees, Beverly is gonna get some minus 1 degrees, Barry's gonna be minus 1 degrees. Minus 1.5 is in Beverly Hills actually. So let's go to the market. Minus 0, orange was 0 degrees. 1 degrees in Stoffel, Scarborough, Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Richmond Hill. So Ookswich 0 degrees, Hunter 1 degrees, Coburg 1 degrees, minus 1 Peterborough, Coburg 1 degrees, Hamilton, Oakland, going 1 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees. So London. So this is the end of the video. So let's do properly for whatever it is. No one, nothing to correct. So this is the end of the video.